Hey everyone, welcome back. Dedicated GPS devices are still a smart choice. They're cheaper than smartphones, stay in your car, and offer features like free traffic, lifetime map updates, and local search. From big 8-inch screens and built-in dash cams to off-road and motorcycle GPS units, there's an option for everyone. So if you're ready to upgrade your navigation, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's go. Starting with the best overall, the Garmin DriveSmart 86. The Garmin DriveSmart 86 is all about visibility and convenience, thanks to its huge 8-inch touchscreen that's even larger than most smartphones. Maps, lane guidance, and junction views are incredibly easy to read at a glance, which makes long road trips and busy city driving far less stressful. It delivers real-time traffic and weather updates when paired with your phone, and Bluetooth support lets you take hands-free calls safely while driving. Garmin's built-in voice assistant is also a standout feature. Just say the wake phrase to ask for directions, find nearby gas stations or restaurants, or adjust navigation without taking your hands off the wheel. With 16 gigabytes of internal storage and a micro SD card slot, there's plenty of room for map data and future updates. Add Garmin's reliable routing, clear visuals, and smooth performance, and you get one of the most user-friendly GPS units available today. If you want the biggest, clearest navigation display on the road, the Garmin DriveSmart 86 is the one to beat, perfect for drivers who want maximum screen size and effortless navigation. The Garmin DriveCam 76 is the best choice if you want a built-in dash cam. The Garmin DriveCam 76 combines a full-featured GPS navigator with a high-quality 1080p dash cam, making it an excellent 2-in-1 solution for everyday drivers. Its large 7-inch touchscreen offers clear, easy-to-read maps, lane guidance, and junction views, while the integrated dash cam continuously records the road ahead to capture incidents, close calls, or unexpected moments while driving. The built-in dash cam automatically saves footage if it detects a collision, and video quality is sharp enough to clearly capture license plates and road details in most lighting conditions. With 16 gigabytes of onboard storage, you can start recording right away, and adding a micro SD card gives you plenty of space for longer trips and extended video archives. If you don't want to buy and mount both a GPS and a separate dash cam, the Garmin DriveCam 76 is a smart, space-saving option that delivers reliable navigation and added peace of mind in one sleek device, the perfect 2-in-1 solution for modern driving. The Trailtech Voyager Pro GPS Navigator is the best choice for UTVs and side-by-sides. The Trailtech Voyager Pro is purpose-built for off-road utility vehicles, making it a standout GPS navigator for UTVs and side-by-sides, where durability, data, and trail navigation matter more than turn-by-turn street directions. It comes preloaded with North American base maps, topographic contour lines, hill shading, and select trail data, giving you excellent terrain awareness right out of the box. If you ride outside North America, additional map regions can be downloaded for free, making it ideal for explorers who travel far beyond paved roads. What truly sets the Voyager Pro apart is its deep vehicle integration. Using Trailtech's standard vehicle sensors, it connects directly to your UTV to display real-time ride data, such as engine temperature, RPM, battery voltage, speed, and distance traveled. If your adventures take place on trails, dunes, mountains, or backcountry routes, and you want detailed terrain mapping plus live vehicle data, the Trailtech Voyager Pro is in a league of its own. The Garmin Tread 2 is best for rugged off-road expeditions. The 8-inch high-resolution, ultra-bright, and glove-friendly touchscreen navigator is purpose-built to withstand extreme temperatures and weather with an IP67 dust water rating for rugged off-the-grid expeditions. Get turn-by-turn trail navigation for unpaved roads and trails with OpenStreetMap, U.S. Forest Service motor vehicle use maps, and Adventure Roads and Trails map content. Venture off the beaten path with preloaded topographic maps of North and South America, featuring high-definition digital elevation maps, private and public land info, campgrounds, and snow trails. plus city navigator maps with custom street routing for the size and weight of your rig. Download subscription-free satellite imagery directly to the device to see high-resolution overhead views of routes and terrain. Use the Tread smartphone app to plan routes. Track friends' live locations using the Group Ride mobile feature. Includes a heavy-duty suction cup with a robust magnet-assisted locking mount to withstand high vibration and shock. Perfect for serious off-roaders. The Garmin Zumo XT2 is the best GPS navigator for motorcycle riders. The Garmin Zumo XT2 is built specifically with bikers in mind, delivering a rugged, glove-friendly GPS experience that works just as well on long highway rides as it does on backcountry adventures. It features a bright 6-inch touchscreen that remains easy to read in direct sunlight, making turn-by-turn navigation clear even at high speeds and in changing light conditions. Where the Zumo XT2 really shines is its versatility beyond paved roads. It includes detailed off-road maps, satellite imagery, and a built-in track recorder that lets you save, review, and share your favorite routes with fellow riders. Whether you're carving mountain roads, exploring gravel trails, or planning multi-day touring routes, this GPS gives you the tools to customize every ride. Durability is a major strength. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, the Zumo XT2 can handle heavy rain, splashes, and harsh weather without missing a beat. For solo riders, group tours, or long-distance motorcycle adventures where reliability, visibility, and off-road capability matter, the Garmin Zumo XT2 is an outstanding choice. The Garmin Drive 53 in traffic is a solid mid-range GPS option. The Garmin Drive 53 in traffic strikes a great balance between affordability, screen quality, and everyday navigation features, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable guidance without paying flagship prices. It features a bright, high-resolution 5-inch glass capacitive touchscreen that's easy to read at a glance and responsive to touch, even while driving. One of its standout advantages is built-in Garmin Traffic, which comes ready to use right out of the box thanks to the included traffic cable. For added safety and awareness, the Drive 53 provides helpful driver alerts, including warnings for school zones, speed limit changes, sharp curves, railroad crossings, and more. It also makes trip planning easier by showing food, fuel, and rest areas along your active route, so you're never caught off guard on longer drives. With detailed North American maps and free map updates included, the Garmin Drive 53 in traffic delivers dependable turn-by-turn navigation, smart traffic avoidance, and useful travel features in a compact and affordable package. The Garmin DriveSmart 66 offers great features at 6 inches. The 6-inch high-resolution navigator includes map updates of North America, hands-free calling when paired with your compatible smartphone, and convenient Garmin Voice Assist. Road trip-ready features include the history database of notable sites, a U.S. National Parks directory, TripAdvisor traveler ratings, and millions of Foursquare POIS. Driver alerts for school zones, sharp curves, and speed changes help encourage safer driving. Access live traffic, fuel prices, parking, weather, and smart notifications. With Alexa built in, you can ask to play music, listen to audiobooks, hear the news, and more. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy map and software updates without a computer. The included dual USB charger provides an extra charging port. Alright everyone, those are the best car GPS navigators of 2026. From large-screen Garmin DriveSmart models to rugged off-road and motorcycle-specific options, there's a dedicated GPS here for every driving style and budget. Drop a comment below. Do you still use a dedicated GPS? If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.